What's up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel. What you see? Yeah, we have a whole nail salon. This is our nail salon. This is where we do our nails, and we ain't worried about the quarantine or anything because we can get ours done right here at home. Unfortunately, we can't help nobody else right now because, you know, we keep it our distance. We practicing our social distancing, absolutely. But y'all just want to kind of clean up just a little bit. So we had gotten, we can soak our nails, our acrylic off with anything, but we did end up getting these two manicure bowls, nail soaking tray bowls from Amazon. Y'all know it's from Amazon. You already know Amazon. And they're so cute because you pour your acetone here, or if you're just doing, let's say, just a manicure and you want to soak with some kind of solution, and your hand just goes right in here and soaks. So that is awesome. And y'all excuse me, but all packages, everything that comes in, I'm going to spray them down and wipe them off because, you know, we just want to keep everything nice and sanitized before, during, and after this process. We've always tried to make sure we sanitize as often and as frequent as possible. But these are cute as a button. I can't wait. I'm sure I'll be doing my nails, or Maddie will be doing my nails sometime this week. So we are going to use those. But right now I'm just getting ready to wipe things down. And I'm just busy, doing some busy work right now. So I'm going to wipe this down, get it cleaned up. Yes, y'all know how it is. I take my shower. I put on my little headband. I put on a robe, my waffle robes or whatever. That's what I do. That's what I do. So mind you, don't mind me, okay? Listen, I am going to go ahead and wipe everything down. It just gets kind of dusty over here because, you know, we have the nail drill, we're filing stuff, yada, yada, yada. So I'm just going to spray things down. And if you want to watch me do that, I'd love it if you do. Before you get to this video, though, make sure you have subscribed to the channel. Did you do that? Okay, well, you need to get busy doing that, and that's the only way you'll be able to see me when you want to see me, is subscribe and hit the post notification bell, because that way, guess what? You'll get a notification like, bing, that's us, and then I want you to watch it, okay? So let me get to dusting off everything. It gets so dusty, so let me do that now. Get started. This is some more new stuff we have gotten. Close this back up. I don't need that right now. Oh, I'm using here like a half and half of alcohol and water. You know what? Before the whole COVID-19 issue, you know what? I've always used alcohol, but since I've started using alcohol in abundance around here, listen, I've seen stains that would not come out of certain things. I've been wiping up and now they're gone. Alcohol is a good thing, so make sure you continuously invest in some alcohol because, honey, it's picking up stuff. I'm like, now I've been trying to get that off of that glass forever, and honey, this did it right here, alcohol. And I'm just like, again, spraying things down, keeping things as clean as possible, and wiping down. Let's go.
That we cherishing what you hold dear, and we will make it last. Not often we can see the beauty in the pain. Not often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it wastes time, but baby, you'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine, fine. Hey. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine, fine. Baby, you'll be fine. There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth of your skin. Just the touch of your hand makes me tremble within. Love the smell of your hair, lying here in my bed. Never gonna be alone, 'cause with you I'm finally coming home. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. Without your love, I am out of place. And without
All right, beautiful babes, that is it for the cleaning. Just a little bit of, dusting and sprucing up, reorganizing, and it's neat and ready to go again, for sure. This is an ugly little plant. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that, but she needs to go. But we'll redecorate one day over here, or Maddie may actually be moving this to another room in the house, so who knows. So anywho, that is it. Hope you enjoyed it, beautiful babes. Come back to see us real soon. Absolutely, we love to have you. So, I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, signing out for now. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share us with your world. We'll see you on the next one.